Hey, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Das Pumpkin. Das Pumpkin. Hey guys, it's National Day and it's also Vinayagar Chaturthi, so I just prayed. Vinayagar Chaturthi is basically an Indian god's birthday, so we pray and provide him with a lot of sweets and stuff. Anyways, that's done and I'm gonna go head out for lunch with my friends. Hello you guys, we came to Araitai to have lunch. You can't hear me, but I'll put captions, so we're having lunch. Hey guys, we're gonna watch a movie. What's up? Welcome back. This is me in Damansara because my work is starting soon. I hate this. This will be my last day before my work starts, and then it's just grind after that, which is so fun. If you guys know, I've been in this room for some time and I have yet to decorate this place. So today I'm thinking of decorating the balcony. Of course, my balcony needs something green, something pretty to like lighten up the mood. So basically I got two plants. I'm excited because they're pretty sitting on my balcony. The first one is Ixora, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know how to pronounce it, but basically this guy, and she is so cute. She has a lot of buds popping up, so I think in a few more days or a few more weeks there'll be a lot more flowers, a lot more red in between the greens, which I'm excited for. And then the second plant I got is a false heather. I've never really seen this around. These are really pretty. Like, it was so cheap. It was only 8 ringgit. The person said it is very easy to take care of these plants, which is great because I will be at work most of the time. So if they can chill on their own, I'll be good because I'll do my thing, they'll do their thing, we'll be good to go. And I really hope they just don't break in, wilt and die. If you guys have any tips on how to be a good plant mom, do let me know in the comment section because I've never been. I think the only time I've been a plant mom was back in uni and she died. So I'm not good at this. If you guys have any idea, do let me know in the comment section. Let's move on to the next part of this video where I bring you shopping in my dreamland. So today we're going to IKEA. IKEA, do a little shopping. Mostly it's window shopping, but I just want to get a little idea of how I want to decorate my room and my balcony, as well as probably get a couple of items to kind of organize a couple of things in my room because they've been like sitting out like trash. So we need to fix that mess and you're coming with me, so let's go. Alright, hey you guys, we're in a restaurant and I'm with Tisha. It's not happening. I'm gonna look like a user on my entire life. You're a YouTuber, dude. ஒண்ணுமே தெரியல. I did not notice. Hey guys, I'm back in my room. We just came back from IKEA and I bought this shoe rack. It's called Grejik, and then these little containers, and they're called Nojik.